Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very interesting evening snack called chicken gold coins. Of course there's no gold in it, but it's definitely in the shape of a coin because we make it with round pieces of bread. So let's get started. For this I have taken bread slices which I have cut into rounds. So I'll just show you how to make one. I've taken a katori and I am just cutting the bread in a rounded shape. So that's the way it's going to come. I have already cut the slices before. So here there's one which I've cut, I've just shown you. This is the way it's done. Now we're just going to top these bread slices with chicken mince. I've taken 250 grams of chicken keema, into which I'm just going to add say 2 teaspoons of ginger, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic, I have taken half an onion. I did cut one, but I think it's going to be too much, so just half a chopped onion should be enough. 1 tablespoon of cornflour and 1 tablespoon of breadcrumbs. They're just going to absorb all the excess moisture. Some soya sauce. Now chicken gold coins is actually a Chinese dish, so without soya sauce and vinegar, which I'm adding now, a Chinese dish is always incomplete. Now I've added 1 chopped green chilli and of course salt to taste. Now just give it a good mix and make sure everything gets together. Now I've taken 1 egg and I've mixed it with the chicken keema, and I'm just going to mix it all well together. If you like it even more spicy, I think you could even add a little bit of red chili powder, which I haven't done, but of course you could add red chili powder or black pepper, whatever you like. So it looks as though it's all mixed up well. Now there's nothing much we have to do except spoon it on one side of the bread. Now to make sure that the chicken sticks on the bread, I am taking 1 egg, which I'm going to beat with a little bit of salt, and I'm just going to put a little bit on one side of the bread with a brush, and then place the chicken mince on that side of the bread. So it's all done. Now just take 1 round bread, use your brush and just kind of color that one side with a little bit of egg. Now take enough chicken and just put it on that side of the bread and spread it all over. If you want to add more, you can add more chicken. If you're making it for home, add enough chicken mince. If you're making it for a party, maybe you want a thin layer, you can just put maybe just a spoon of chicken and spread it. And sprinkle some sesame seeds on the top. And just press it with your hand so that it doesn't come out. In the same way, we'll do all the slices of bread. Once they are done, we just put them in the fridge for about 15 minutes so that they set. After 15 minutes, I've taken out the bread and I've heated some oil. The oil is nice and hot. And all I have to do is fry these bread slices. Whenever you're frying the gold coin, always make sure that the meat portion is put at the bottom. I mean, you face that down. Now fry it till they are nice and golden color. and put it on medium heat so that the bread, none of the sides get burnt. The bread has to become nice and crisp, and the chicken needs to be cooked well. So you can see it's turning red. Just keep flipping it. Yeah. Maybe we can make it wait a little bit till it's a little bit more red. Believe me, everybody is going to love this. It's a very simple dish to make and it tastes very, very nice. So while this is being cooked, I think let's get one more gold coin into the oil. I think the previous one is done, so let's just drain out the excess oil. Oops. Yeah. So the oil, extra oil is drained out. Just take it out on a kitchen towel. Now the second one also seems to be getting cooked well. I've just turned it over. It's turning red, and this is about the way it has to be done. In the same way, fry all the other pieces of bread. And your chicken gold coins are ready to be gobbled up on a nice evening. If you like my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to it.